Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to show you a little trick. I have this Swiffer mop, and it came with two of these cleaning solutions, but the cashier told me that you can put your own cleaning solution into this when it's empty to save a few bucks. So that's what I attempted to do, but then when you try to screw this off the cover, the purple cover, it doesn't come off. They have glue in there keeping it sealed, so you go out and you have to buy their product. But if you boil some water and submerge the cap, there's only maybe about I don't know, 2 to 3 inches of water. Just submerge it so the purple cover is totally submerged for about 30 seconds or so. And when we take it out, the cover should pop off. So let's see. It's probably close to 30 seconds. We'll take it out. Just be careful you don't burn yourself. Bring it over here to the sink. And then, let's see if I can do this. And it comes right off. And then you can put it back on. Just gotta push down on it and turn after you put your leak cleaning solution in, and you're good to go. So if this video helped you out, saved you a couple of bucks, give me a like if you wouldn't mind, and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.